the manager of the Global Animal Law Project. And today I am with my dear friend and colleague Bettina Cagnat. Hello Betty.
Hello Sabine.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
Super fine. So would you like to tell us a few words of how you became an animal lawyer and maybe on the GAL project, please?
First, I would like to express my support to the GAL project, which is necessary, ambitious, innovative and revolutionary because it has a global target and because among its proposals there is a reconsideration of animal exploitation.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's part of the encompassing proposals of the GAL method. So would you like to tell us how you became an animal lawyer, please?
Yes, first I obtained a degree in private law in France, and I have always been an animals lover, and after my degree I became vegan. That's why I did the Master in Animal Law of the Faculty of Law of Barcelona.
Yeah, so you did the Master in Animal Law in Society. It's directed by Marita Candela, and you did the online course, right? So
yes.
I guess for now, maybe your master thesis is your main contribution. Would you like to tell us more about it?
Yes, at the end of the master, I presented my dissertation in which I tried to explain the incompatibility between the property status of animals and between the recognition of fundamental rights for them. The right to live, the right to be free, and the right not to be mistreated, and consequently the necessity to abolish the application of the right to property over animals.
Thank you so much. That's very, very clear. What are your current and future projects now?
I'm going to make a contribution to a new French anti-specist political party with you, Sabine, and other anti-specists. This party is called the PACT, that is to say a citizen anti-specist party for transparency and ethics. And this party encompasses non-human and human beings.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, indeed, we believe that it's very important to bring the animal issues in politics, and it's very critical now in France to bring the animal protection in the political field because it has been forgotten since we hope now, soon. And so, coming back to you, what do you think the most efficient tools are to protect animals in the law, please?
As my approach is abolitionist and not welfarist, the most efficient legal tools to protect animals are bans. Only bans can ensure justice. As Tom Regan said, it is not larger or cleaner cages that justice demands, but empty cages. Reforms on animal welfare just make animal exploitation acceptable.
So what steps would you propose to achieve, like in priority?
If the decision was made, all kind of animal exploitation should be abolished because we can't establish a hierarchy between animal sufferings. However, given the current speciest mentality of society, I think that only some projects could be achievable over a short time, like the abolition of bullfighting, of foie gras, hunting, animals in circuses, the sale of companion animals, for instance.
Yeah, thank you very much. And so my final last but not least question for you. What would be your dream for the animal?
I dream that all animals will be free from human domination, that the species won't be anymore a criterion to execute and abuse sentient beings, and that life will prevail over profit, over pleasure, over traditions and anthropocentrism.
Thank you. I hope your wish will come true.
I hope to.
In the future. And it was my pleasure to be with you and make this interview of you today. Your first interview, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sabine.
So yeah, it's my privilege. So thank you very much again, and thank you very much all for watching. Bye bye.